Hey everyone, happy Monday. This is our last week of full math. We're just doing chapter 20, it's review. So everything that we've learned this year will be in this chapter. So today we're going to review what you know about addition and addition strategies as you add multi-digit numbers. We will also review how to compare and order numbers. Okay. So we're talking about rounding here. When you're rounding to the hundreds place, you look at the tens. So 194 would round to 200. If you add that together, you get 800. And then on the other side, they're going to show you how they regrouped and added those numbers. All right, so 569 would round to 600. 318 would round to 300. Add that together, you get 900. All right, on the other side, 9 plus 8 is 17. 6 plus 2 is 8, and 5 plus 3 is 8. All right, so now they're rounding to the thousands place. When we round to the thousands place, we look at the hundreds. The hundreds place in the first number is a 6. We're going to round up to the next thousand, which is 4,000. All right, there's an 8 in the hundreds place on the next number. That's going to round up to 5,000. You add that together and you get 9,000. Now they're going to, the PowerPoint is going to go through and add up the next number. 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus 9 is 10. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. And 4 plus 3 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. All right, so now they're just going to go through and add up, practicing adding larger numbers. So 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. And then 9 plus 4, that's going to be 13. So you're needing to put both the 1 and the 3 there because you're out of digits, you have to put both numbers down. Remember when you're doing thousands, you count over 1, 2, 3 digits, and then put the comma. So now we're adding up the 10,000s. 3 plus 7 is 10, you're going to regroup that 1. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11, regrouping again. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9, and 4 plus 3 is 7. See how they put the comma after 3 digits. All right, so now they're adding up 3 add-ins in the thousands place. All right, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. All right, I can see a group of 10 here. 6 plus 4 is 10, 11, 12. And then I have 5, 6, 7. 2. So I was just adding up. I know 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. Or you can just add up from the top. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, so we're just going to run through this one. They're just adding up again. My picture is there. All right, so this on the right side we have expanded notation. The left side is regular notation, just standard notation, standard number. All right, so 3,829. These are equal. All right, so this one has a hundreds place, and this one has gone up. This 5 is in the thousands place, so we know that the number on the left is greater. Same with this one. The number on the left goes to the thousands place. The number on the right only has hundreds, so the number on the left is greater. Okay, so these both have a 5, 2 zeros, and a 2, but you have to look at this, the number on the right, the 2 is in the hundreds place. On the number on the left, the 2 is in the ones place, so that makes this number on the right greater. So we're going to say 5,002 is less than 5,200. All right, 6,203 is the same as 6,203. They are equal, pardon me. All right, 897 does not have a thousands place, but look at this number, 1,458 is greater. So we say 897 is less than 1,458. Almost done, guys. We're going to order it from least to greatest. The least number is 247, then 251, then 1,130, then 2,498. Ordering from least to greatest, 416, 461, 4,164, and 4,263. You guys usually did not have much trouble with this at all this year, so I feel confident you guys will back up really quickly. All right, all four of these numbers have a 9 in the thousands place, so now I'm looking at the hundreds. They all have a 5 in the hundreds place. Now I'm looking at the tens. I have a 3, a 1, a 0, and a 9. So I'm going to put 9,507 first, then 9,519, then 9,533, then 9,591. That is our last slide today, guys. We're going to do page 343 and 344 in your workbook today. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.